So this was the first building. And oh boy. Yeah. Well, when I got my first mill in 1997 and my first tractor, and we built this, we didn't know what we were doing. You know, it wasn't totally square or anything, but anyway, as you can see, it worked. They don't have to look like much to be very useful. When I was 15, I got interested in water skiing. I had a cousin in Connecticut. She taught me how to water ski and run a boat, and I decided I had to have one. So I was working after school in Woolworths. We're talking in the mid-50s now. And I made a deal with a local boat dealer to buy a 13.5-foot Chris Craft kit boat, a trailer, and a 40 horsepower Scott Atwater motor for $630. And my father helped me build that boat that winter. By spring, we had finished it and launched it, and lo and behold, it didn't sink. So anyway, I really think that was a major event in my life. Back in our first house, I had a little shop with a wood stove. So I took these boards and I thought, you know, I'd like to make a dining room table out of that. And I didn't, this is how much I did not know. I took them to local places to get them planed. They said, we can't plane that. It's full of nails and stuff. I said, oh. But I did make a table, and it was 2 big planks that were not level or anything, and I got them as level as I could. And that was our table from 1970 or 71 until I built this maybe 6-7 years ago. Wood, you can cut a tree down and turn it into a beautiful thing. And you don't need, you know, these aren't sophisticated tools. Saw, planer, routers. You can start out in the woods and cut a tree and turn it into a beautiful dining room table.
So why not buy a table?
Buy a table? Oh, it never occurred to me.